Meron ulit.
Stickers!
Stickers. So, show them the sticker, baby. Hi everyone! Hello homeschoolers! Welcome to Homeschooling V and Z. For this video, we're going to share with you our unboxing video of this October subscription box from Parkwood Playschool. Ayan. So, Parkwood Playschool sent over this box. This is a subscription box for the month of October and we are excited na tignan yung loob niya. Ano bang meron dito sa loob na to? Ano bang exciting na makita para sa box na ito? Kasama ko dito ngayon si Z.
Hello, I'm Zoe.
Yes, she's Zoe and she's 5 years old and kinder. So, itong subscription box is for 5 years old. Itong rate ng Parkwood Playschool for her is for a 5-year-old. Pero meron din silang boxes for 2 to 3 years old and for 4 years old. Okay, so I'll leave the details, the links to their social media accounts para malaman niyo kung paano kayo makaka-order sa kanila. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. First, ito may nakita ko. Merong warning. Yan. This box contains sharp objects. Children must be supervised at all times. So, thank you so much for this warning. Na-appreciate ko dahil syempre tayo mga nanay. Minsan, hinahayaan natin buksan ng bata. So, it's good to have a warning like this.
Stamp.
You got a stamp. Ayan. Pakita natin. Ito, stamp. Then, what else do we have here? Check. So, meron tayong linking blocks. Yan, for counting. This is manipulative for math. Yan, so nakikigulo na yung bunso. We also have, oh, she's counting na. We also have this paper protector. Ito maganda ito ginagamit sa mga worksheets. Isisiksik lang yung worksheet dito sa loob. Tapos, dry erase marker. Para pwede nyo pa ulit-ulitin yung worksheet. And then, what else do we have here? What's that? Show it to them, Z.
It's a blue.
Okay, here. Okay, so we have, what's this? So,
4,
cotton.
7, cotton.
And then we have
10. I have
blue. Yes, meron tayong mga school supplies. And then may mga materials. I think this is for an activity. So, let's open up. Ayan, so meron mga paper. So, this is for an activity. So, we'll check this out. Okay, so we have another set of materials. Ito, ayan. As you can see, merong cornstarch. Ano meron pa, anak? May clay. Let's open. May paper siya. We have paper plate.
Paper plate. Lagay natin sa plate na namin.
And then we have your bottle clay.
Model plate.
Grabbing clays. And then another set of paper. I think this is for the activity. We'll check it out later on.
We have, what's this, mommy?
That's a clay. Parang Play-Doh, anak. Parang Play-Doh. Okay. And then what else do we have here inside the box? We have
car.
Oh, may cars, yeah. Ay, oo, may car.
Clay.
May print ng car. Clay. Yes, clay.
Car shoe.
And then, what we have here, we have Manila paper. We have Manila paper.
We have brown clay.
Brown clay. Okay. And then, meron tayong ito, dry erase marker or whiteboard marker. Mas kilala sa atin as whiteboard marker. And then, ito, sa loob pa, meron tayong napakaraming worksheets. Let's go to it first. So, we have here some worksheets. This is for odd or even. Marami to eh. Tignan natin. Nandiyan siya kakapal, oh. Oh, nandiyan siya kakapal. Then, ayan. So, meron about nouns. Tama-tama, nasa nouns kami ngayon. Kinder. Reveals on the bus. Oh, perfect. This quarter, the second quarter, we are studying singular and plural nouns. So, perfect ito. Magagamit ni Z. And Then, marami pang iba na worksheets. And of course, part of the box ay meron tayong information about the Kinder box. Lagay dito kung ano yung mga materials na nasa loob ng box. And then, they also have a Facebook support page for the Playschool box. And ano pa ba? Okay, so they have here all their information. I'll leave it na lang sa description. And then, ito pa, yung monthly guide. Nakakatuwa ito kasi may monthly guide siya. So, every week, I'll show it to you. Every week, meron siyang information kung ano yung gagawin mo from Monday, Tuesday, hanggang Friday. So, it's divided na kung anong worksheet, anong STEM activity, anong fine motor activity, anong reading activity. So, nakakatuwa siya kasi nakalagay dito. Parang complete curriculum na. Complete curriculum na siya. Yan. So, hanggang week 4. So, 4 weeks of activities and lessons for your kids. Nakasama doon sa subscription box. Ayan. So, sobrang ganda. Nakakatuwa naman to. Nakakatuwa na merong ganito. Merong Kinder October box, may subscription box for our kids. Especially for busy moms like me, na merong mas maliit pang bata at meron pang isa pang grade schooler na tinuturuan. So, malaking tulong magkaroon ng subscription boxes para at least yung time na ginugugol ko sana sa pagre-research, pag-print, pagla-laminate. Ito, naka-ready na siya. Tapos, naka-layout na rin yung mga gagawin ninyo ng anak mo. Are you excited to do the activities?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Parkwood Playschool, for sending over this subscription box for the month of October for Zoe. We are excited to try all of these lessons. So, kung hindi pa po kayo nakafollow sa amin sa Instagram and Facebook, please follow us on Instagram at PetiteMama18 or PetiteMama18 and on Facebook as Petite Mama. Kasi doon ako nagsishare ng mga doon ako nagsishare ng mga snippets ng aming mga homeschool activities. So, please make sure to follow para makita ninyo yung mga activities na ginawa namin using the Parkwood Playschool October Kinder Box. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share it with your friends. And click na rin yung subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Happy homeschooling!